In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add legal pages to your Shopify store. Having clear legal pages like a privacy policy, terms of service, or refund policy is essential for building trust with your customers and keeping your store compliant with regulations. I'll walk you through a simple process that uses your Shopify dashboard together with an AI tool to generate and publish these pages quickly. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and looking at your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and sales overview. From here, we're going to head into the settings area where Shopify keeps all of your store's legal policies. Look to the bottom left of your dashboard and click on the settings option. This opens a new page with a list of different settings categories for your store. In this section, you'll be able to control things like store details, payments, and most importantly for this video, your legal policies. Next, find and click on the policies or legal section. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your Shopify version, but you're looking for the place where Shopify lets you manage your legal documents. Once you open that, you'll see several different policy types such as refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping policy. Now, click on the specific legal page you'd like to add or edit. For example, if you're starting with a refund policy, select that area so the empty text box appears. This is where we'll paste the content for your policy. To generate that content, open a new tab and head over to an AI assistant. In the prompt, clearly describe what you need, such as create a refund policy for a Shopify store that sells digital products, or write a privacy policy for an online clothing boutique shipping worldwide. The more specific you are about your business type, location, and practices, the more accurate the policy will be. Once the AI generates the text, read through it carefully. Make sure it matches your actual business practices and complies with local laws. If necessary, you may want to have a legal professional review it. When you're happy with the content, copy it, go back to your Shopify Policies page, and paste it into the empty field for that legal page. Give it a quick final check, and when everything looks good, click on Publish or Save. Your legal page is now added to your store and will appear wherever Shopify surfaces it, like during checkout or in your footer, making your store look more professional and trustworthy.